Hi everyone, thank you for clicking my Atomy USA channel. Today I'm going to do the demonstration regarding this Atomy dish detergent. This detergent is hypoallergenic, it's made of natural citrus, and you can wash your fruits and vegetables with this detergent. Just something that can help also keep your self healthy, because a lot of times when you buy products, especially fresh fruits, vegetables, you need to wash it also, so that way you can remove all the pesticide, and you know pesticide can hurt our body. So this is our dish detergent. It's made of natural citrus. It's very safe. This one you can buy it online. There's no joining fee, membership fee. So today I'm going to do the demonstration how you can wash your fruits and vegetables. So this one, just 1 little drop of this Atomy detergent in water, and just mix it. So once everything is mixed in there, you can dip your fresh vegetables or fruits, and you'll see how these fruits vegetables will look after you wash it. So after you rinse it, you can rinse it with water, and let's see how it looks. Earlier the color of this is has those powdery looking and white stuff, but look, after I rinse it with this Atomy, this detergent, look how this color turns into. So we'll just rinse it. You see, it comes to its natural color. So after you dip it in Atomy this detergent, rinse it, and after you rinse it with just clear water, you can set it on the side, and you see how the color is. So it looks so green, no more of that white stuff in it, which is, those are pesticide. So this Atomy dish detergent is very safe, and our dish detergent, they tested it. If you look, they raw tested it. It's 99.9 E. Coli Eradication. So when you're cooking, sometimes you can contaminate your chopping board or anything that you lay your meat. And by using this Atomy dish detergent, it's safe because it will eradicate 99.9% E. coli, and it's very safe as compared with this detergent. You cannot even use it, because if you swallow this, it can cause poison. So, and then if you look, I was reading the back of this detergent, and I'll see all these different chemicals in it. It has ammonium. If swallow, can, you know, you have to follow the poison control. But our dish detergent is naturally it's made of natural fruit extract and citric acid. If you look at it, you see it's written there that is hypoallergenic. So I will recommend this detergent to everyone, especially people that own a restaurant, because you know they use fruits and vegetables, so we need to rinse our fruits and vegetables before we cook it or before we serve it. Here in the USA, we use fresh salad and everything, so it's good to have this at your home. So if you had any question, let me know. Subscribe on my channel and message me, and I can help you sign in with this company Atomy. They had a lot of great products. Aside from this detergent, they had beauty and health products also. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all next week.